Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2016 Suzuki GSX-S1000F. This bike has 4,400 miles and is offered for $86.90 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great upright leader bike, tons of power. The previous owner did some nice upgrades to it, put on heated grips, also some bar risers and some nice Renthal bars. Also has some case savers on the right and also the left side. This is also the ABS version, so it's got that nice feature on it. Also up front, you have flush mount blinkers. It's just an all-around beautiful bike. Great comfortable riding position, tons of power, upright riding position. Again, our service department went through it, gave it a clean bill of health, did an oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.